If you have set up a multiple choice question for your exam or your assessments, these are automatically graded by Crowdmark. Now, with an administered assessment, there may be some student responses that can't be read. And some of the reasons might be because the pen might not be dark enough, or they might have crossed out through a number of different responses, and our system is unsure what the response is. So this video is going to walk you through how we can actually resolve those responses. So if you've set up that multiple choice exam, you'll see here that you've got your multiple choice questions, and we've got 9 unknown responses here that need to be resolved. Select the question, and it will drop you on the first booklet here. So in this booklet, we can see the scan quality isn't very good, but also we can see that the student has selected a number of different boxes or crossed out through the middle here. So our system is actually not sure what the student was intending to answer here. From looking at this, we can see that the student wanted to answer question A. So if you did want to resolve this, you're going to come across to clone and edit evaluation. And you will select the response that the student had entered. And you'll see here that that question mark has been automatically updated to the score, reflect what the correct answer is. So A is not the correct answer here. And we can see that for question 5, the student actually didn't enter anything here. So we've got the question mark that needs to be resolved. And only once all of the questions have been resolved will you see the grade pop up on the right-hand side here. So this student didn't enter anything, so you're going to select the X at the end of that row. And then you can see here that on the right-hand side, the grade has come up.